In this video, we're going to help you diagnose the rear drum bearing in your dryer. So drum bearings, be it this style of drum roller or even if it's another manufacturer that has a bearing up in here, what you basically have inside here is a self-lubricating bearing. From the time of manufacture, this bearing was impregnated with oil. And that oil keeps it lubricated so it's turning nice and smooth. Over time, and over hard work, that oil will eventually dissipate. And what you'll start happening is this bearing will start to wear. And a couple of things will happen. You'll start hearing some different sounds. You may hear a squeaking sound, almost like a bird chirping. You may hear a bit of a grinding sound, even a bit of a howl. And when they get worn enough, they'll actually start to rattle. So you'll hear the whole drum and everything just rattling inside the machine. Over here where the shaft is, there's a whole bunch of extra material that's built up around it. Hair and dust and stuff. So that can actually work its way underneath the bearing and cause it to wear. So if you're finding you're getting some unusual noises, rumbles, squeaks, rattles, there's a good chance it's your drum bearing. So you're going to want to address that. And really, if you're taking it apart and you're looking at it and you think, well, you know what, it doesn't look that bad, I'm just going to throw some grease on it and away you go. You can do that, but you will be back actually replacing the part in a short period of time. That lubrication that you're putting in there is very, very temporary, and you'll have to do this again anyway.